Good morning, everyone. In today's class, we will start from question number 4, exercise 14.3. Question number 4 is the length of 40 leaves of a plant are measured correct to 1 millimeter and the obtained data is represented in the following table. The first part is draw a histogram to represent the given data. Okay, now you can see here the first class interval it is 118 to 126. The next class interval is starting from 127, which is one more than 126. It means it is discontinuous. You can check also rest of the class intervals. Okay, here it is 135 and the next class interval is starting from 136, which is one more than 135. Okay, so these class intervals are discontinuous. Okay, so first we will make it continuous. To make it continuous classes, so we have to add 0.5 in the upper limit in each class interval, and we have to subtract 0.5 in lower limit of each class interval, and this value we can obtain from here. You can take any two consecutive class intervals. Okay, suppose I am taking the first two class intervals. Okay, 118 to 126. Okay, for the first class intervals we will take the upper limit. The upper limit is 126, and the next class interval we will take the lower limit. Now we will find the difference between them. The difference between 126 and 127 it is 1. Now 1 we will divide into two equal parts. Okay, so the value of each part will be 0.5. Okay, so that's why we have add 0.5 in upper limit and subtract 0.5 in lower limit. Okay, so now the continuous classes will be, so the first class interval will be 117.5 to 126.5, and the frequency of this class interval it is given 3. Okay, the next class interval will be 126.5. Okay, 126.5 to 135.5, and the frequency it is given 5. Okay, the next class intervals will be 135.5 to 144.5, 144.5, and the frequency it is given 9. Okay, the next class interval will be 144.5 to 153.5, and the frequency it is given 12. The next class interval will be 153.5 to 162.5. Okay, and the frequency it is given 5. The next class interval will be 162.5 to 171.5, and the frequency it is given 4. And the last class intervals will be 171.5 to 180.5, and the frequency it is given 2. Okay, and the sum of this frequency it is given 40. Okay, so this is the continuous classes interval. Okay, now we will make a histogram. Okay, so to make a histogram we need two axes. Okay, x axis and y axis. Okay, on x axis we are taking the length in millimeters, and on y axis we are taking the number of leaves, means frequency. Okay, so the first part, so first we will draw two axes, x axis and y axis. ठीक है, x and y. ठीक है, on x axis we are taking the length. ठीक है, this is 0, 117.5, 126.5, 135.5, 144.5, 153.5, okay, 162.5 and 171.5, and the last class interval it is 180.5. ठीक है, this is x axis. Okay, and on y axis we are taking the scale 1 centimeter is equal to 2 unit. Okay, so this is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. Okay, this is the frequency, means the number of leaves. ठीक है, and this is length in millimeter. Okay, length in millimeter. Okay, the first class interval is 117.5 to 126.5 and the frequency it is given 3. ठीक है, now you can see the difference between these class interval, it will be 126.5 minus 117.5, it will be 9. Similar, we can find the difference between upper limit and lower limit and we will get 9 in each class interval. ठीक है, and here at the starting the difference is 117.5. ठीक है, and later on the difference it is only 9. So we must use here king. ठीक है, because at the starting the difference is not same. ठीक है, but later on the difference is same, so that's why we have used here king. Okay, now we will plot these points. ठीक है, so the first class interval is 117.5 to 126.5 and the frequency it is 3. ठीक है, so 3 will lie between 2 and 4, the mid value. ठीक है, the mid line between 2 and 4, so it will be the first class interval. ठीक है, and the frequency it is 3. Okay, now the second class interval it is 126.5 to 135.5 and the frequency it is 5, so 5 will lie between 4 and 6, the midline between 4 and 6. ठीक है, so it will for the second class interval. ठीक है, similar for the third class interval it is 9, so 9 will lie between 8 and 10, the midline. ठीक है, the fifth line between 8 and 10. Okay, so it will represent the next class interval. Okay, the next one is 144.5 to 153.5 and the frequency it is given 12. ठीक है, so 12 तो we can find the exact value. ठीक है, so it is 12. Okay, now for the next class interval it is 5, so 5 again it will lie between 4 and 6, the mid value. Okay, so here it will lie. ठीक है, for the next class interval it is 4, so 4 तो we can find exact value. ठीक है, so it will for the next class interval, and the last one is 2. ठीक है, and 2 also we can find the exact value. ठीक है, So this is the histogram, ठीक है. And in histogram the rectangles bar are closed. There will be no gap between two adjacent rectangles bar, ठीक है. So this is the histogram of this question. Okay. The second part is there any other suitable graphical representation for the same data? Yes, we can use another graphical representation for the same data. We can use frequency polygon, ठीक है. We can use frequency polygon. Okay. The third part is it correct to conclude that the maximum number of leaves are 153 long, and why? So here you can see the maximum number of leaf is 12, which is lie between 144.5 to 153.5, ठीक है. So here we can write the maximum number of leaves. So first we will write no, ठीक है, because the maximum number of leaves is 12, which is lies between 144.5 and 153.5, ठीक है. The next question is question number 5. The following tables give the lifetimes of 400 neon lamps. Okay. The first part is represent the given information with the help of a histogram. Okay. So here you can see the classes are continuous. Okay. You can see here the first class interval is 300 to 400. The next one is 400 to 500. And the next one is 400 to 600 and so on. Okay. It means that these classes intervals are continuous. Okay. So now we can easily draw the histogram. ठीक है. So first we will draw two axes. ठीक है. X axis and Y axis. ठीक है. So first we will draw two axes, X axis and Y axis. Okay. On X axis we are taking the lifetime, okay, in hours, and on Y axis we are taking number of lamps, means frequency. Okay. So it is 0, ठीक है. This is 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900 and 1000. Okay. X axis, and it is lifetime in hours. Okay. And on Y axis we are taking the number of lamps, ठीक है, and we are taking the scale on Y axis. 1 centimeter is equal to 10 unit. Okay. So it is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Okay. Y axis, and it is number of lamps. Okay. Now you can see at the starting the difference is 300 and later on the difference is 100 only. Okay. So we must use here kink. Okay. Because at the starting the difference is not same. Okay. The first class interval is 300 to 400 and the frequency it is given 14. The 14 is lie between 10 and 20. Okay. And it will lie the fourth line between 10 and 20. Okay, so this is for the first class interval. Okay, the next one is 400 to 500 and the frequency is 56. So 56 will lie between 50 and 60. Okay, and it will be the sixth line between 50 and 60. Okay, the sixth line between 50 and 60 will represent 56. Okay, so this is for the class interval 400 to 500. The next class interval is 500 to 600 and the frequency it is 60. So 60 तो we can find exact value. ठीक है, so here it is 60. So this is for the class interval 500 to 600. Okay, the next class interval is 600 to 700 and it is 86. So it will lie between 80 and 90 and it will be the sixth line between 80 and 90. Okay, so this is for the next class interval, means 600 to 700. Okay, the next class interval is 700 to 800 and the frequency is 74. So 74 will lie between 70 and 80 and it will be the fourth line between 70 and 80. Okay, so this is for the class interval 700 to 800. Okay, and the next class interval is 800 to 900 and the frequency it is 62. So it will lie between 60 and 70 and it will be the second line between 60 and 70. Okay, so this is for the class interval 800 to 900 and the last class interval is 900 to 1000 and the frequency is 48. So it will be the eighth line between 40 and 50. Okay, so this is for the class interval 900 to 1000. Okay, so this is the histogram of this question. Okay, and this is the first part, and in the second part we have to find the answer. How many lamps have a lifetime of more than 700 hours? Okay, so you can see here from this table we have to find how many lamps have a lifetime of more than 700 hours. So we have to find the frequency. So we have to find the frequency of these class intervals, means 700 to 800, 74, 800 to 900, 62, and 900 to 1000 means 48. It means कि we have to sum of this frequency. ठीक है? So the answer will be, so number of lamps, we can write number of lamps have a lifetime of more than 700 hours. So it will be 74 plus 62 plus 48. Okay, so it will be 184. Okay, so number of lamps will be 184. Okay, so I think this is clear. Okay, so now this is sufficient for today. Okay.